It's going down live at the pad. Still working on this project right here, freestyle. No sketch. SKS, strength, knowledge, survival. Just putting it down for the youth. Still gotta do my halo, my splash. Still got some stuff for the splash. Thinking of finishing the character there in the corner. So we're getting down today. Live from the shop. Keep that graph alive. Worldwide. Young SKS, still spitting on the mic, still spitting graphs, still carving, doing art. You can't be stopped. Like my teacher said, you're only an artist if you continue to do art. So my encouragement to young people is continue to do your art. Continue to follow what you believe and handle it. The world don't pity fools, so go after what you want. Real talk. 1.